So hi and welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you a great platform from which you can get huge discounts in a lot of free items. So let's get started. Let me open my browser. Before that, please like the video and subscribe my channel real quick. Okay, so this is the website freeforstudents.org. You need to visit this site, and then you can find a lot of resources which are free actually, like Amazon Prime Student. This is free for 6 months. And now we have professional developer software, which is free for 12 months. And similarly, this GitHub pack, which is free for current students. So you can also find a lot of other stuff right here on this site. So I will recommend you to visit this site and check out all the resources. I hope you will find uh, a lot of free stuff that has a lot of value. So do visit it, and it also has many categories like technology and let me close this ad. Okay, so there are a lot of categories like technology, productivity, finance, shopping, and travel. So you can find your relevant resource from here free of cost. I hope you will like this video and subscribe my channel for more interesting and similar videos. Thanks for watching.